one of these. Let's play Pinch Toy Swap. It's very simple. 6 squares on a piece of white paper. Use watercolor pen to write a chess plus sign and a big red cross. What both parties are ready to exchange can be played. Okay, what can I get for this pinch? Can you just exchange it? Hey Brett, me, a page cake pinch. Make a deal with me. No. Add it up. A dinosaur ice cream pinch. Make a deal with me. Make a deal.
Okay!
Ha, come again. I have a dry pinch of a mouse pair. I have a rice bean mouse dry pinch. Okay, it's a deal. Good. I pinched it with a pearl. I'll trade the hairball for you. No. I am expensive. More and more. Then I'll add another rare pinch. It's a deal. I use a cat paw to pinch, to exchange.
Okay.
Cool is not cool. Homemade iPhone, pinch. Exchange with you, deal. You are weird. I also have a fluffy pussy. I use a page, a homemade pinch. Exchange. Like. A osmosis cake was pinched. Squeeze the buns. Too small. Add more. Add another dumpling too. Pinch. It's a deal. Ooh. This is my homemade candy pinch. You add another one. I'll change it for you. Miss Dolphin pinches. Go ahead and use Peppa Pig's phone. It's a deal. A milk dragon pinched. I have a big banana. Too small. And more. Add a little rabbit. It's a deal. A happy sheep. I'll trade this for you. I don't know what it is. It's a deal. Did you earn it? Really? A big-eared dog pinched. I put out a croissant to pin. Too small. Add more. Add a little star pinch. It's a deal. Love you. A pudding dog is pinched. Pony Polly's phone was pinched. Change with you. Plus, and more. A Kuromi's little clip. Deal. Yay! The exchange is complete. This is what I replaced. Do you think the exchange between me and Erbo is... Who earned it? Anybody else wants to swap toys? 2.0.